Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can sign up into your online banking account of Lloyds Bank. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now the first thing, you need to open up your web browser, and you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. And once you open up your web browser, on the search box you need to type in the link that is www.online.lloydsbank.co.uk, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. And as you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and once you're on this page, you can see in the left hand side corner you have a user ID and password. And now this is for those of you who had already had an account on Lloyds Bank account, and in case if you know the login information, then you can simply enter your login information, user ID and password in order to log in into your account. And in order to register into the online banking or internet banking account of Lloyds, what you need to do is you need to click on register online, which is right on top. So once you do that, you'll be directed to a page where you'll be able to sign up into Lloyds Bank. The page also contains statements, so make sure to go through all of these following information. You can see in the left hand side corner, first of all you're asked to provide a title and then the first name and the last name, and you need to provide the date of birth associated on your ID, and then you'll need to enter the postcode. And in case if you have more than one bank account, then you can simply enter your information right on this page and then tap on continue. And after that, you need to provide more details, and after you're done providing all of the information, you need to confirm it. So in order to confirm, a verification email or a verification code will be sent through an SMS or an email, so you need to provide all of that information. And once you do that, next interface, you need to make sure that all of the provided information is correct, and then you have successfully created an account on Lloyds. So that is how you can sign up into online banking account of Lloyds. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.